Meaning of handgun.
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 Handgun. A handgun is a type of firearm that is designed to be held and fired with one hand. It is also known as a pistol or a revolver. Handguns are typically smaller and more compact than other types of firearms, making them convenient for personal defense, law enforcement, and military use. They come in a variety of shapes and sizes, and can be loaded with different types of ammunition. Handguns have been the subject of controversy, with debates surrounding their role in society and the regulations surrounding their ownership and use.